Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best air fryers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer. The Cosori Smart Wi-Fi Air Fryer is the best air fryer for most people, and because of that it won the Tom's Guide 2022 award for Best Air Fryer. It consistently browned and crisped everything from frozen crinkle-cut fries to Brussels sprouts. It also quickly and superbly roasted chicken and broiled hamburgers with a lot less of the fuss and mess you get from a traditional oven. The Cosori has electronic controls with preset programs for commonly cooked foods. During cooking it stays cool enough to touch without risking a burn. The baskets are not only non-stick, they can be popped in the dishwasher. If you like technology, you'll appreciate the ability to control this appliance and search for recipes from your mobile device or give it orders with a digital assistant. Specifications. Type: digital. Size: 11.8 into 13.9 into 12.7 inches, weight, 11.9 pounds, capacity, 5.8 quarts, dishwasher safe parts, yes, easy to clean, yes, app control, yes, recipes, booklet included. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. We think the Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is the best air fryer if you want the functionality of several appliances in one package. In addition to air frying, it can crisp up bagels, roast a 4-pound chicken, and bake a 12-inch pizza. There's no preheat required, which adds to the cooking time but saves you a step. As it cooks, the Cuisinart is very quiet, so it won't prevent you from chatting in the kitchen or having a phone conversation. Unlike most air fryers, the Cuisinart isn't housed in plastic and it's not shaped like a space capsule or giant egg. Instead, it's constructed of stainless steel and has a boxy design. Not only will it fit neatly on your countertop, it will actually look good. The controls are digital, which means they're very straightforward to operate. You simply set the well-marked dials. However, there are no pre-programmed settings, so you have to refer to the manual for air frying temperatures and times. Specifications. Type: analog. Size: 16 into 14 into 13.5 inches, weight, 21 pounds, capacity, 3 pounds, dishwasher safe parts, no, easy to clean, no, app control, no, recipes, and manual. Number 3. Our third best pick is NuWave Brio 6-quart digital air fryer. Chefs who like to have a lot of control over the cooking process will love the NuWave Brio 6-quart digital air fryer. In addition to 100 preset programs, it offers multi-stage cooking, features a sear function, comes with a probe for cooking to exact temperatures and a basket divider for cooking 2 things at once. However, all this functionality makes it very complicated to operate. Before you even begin cooking, you need to read the manual carefully and then keep it nearby to use as a reference. In our cooking tests, the NuWave did a good, but not great job at air frying. It cooked unevenly, but kept the food moist and tender. The probe worked well, indicating when a chicken was roasted to a spot on degree of doneness. The basket can be cleaned in the dishwasher if placed on the top rack. With the unit, you get a cookbook and a laminated guide to the 100 preset programs. You can't remotely control this air fryer, but you can access recipes from the NuWave Cooking Club app. Specifications. Type: digital. Size: 11 into 13 into 13 inches, weight, 15 pounds, capacity, 5.8 quarts, dishwasher safe parts, yes, easy to clean, no, app control, no, recipes, booklet included and can be accessed via app. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. The Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer can put an end to squabbles over whether to serve French fries or chicken wings at dinner. It has 2 baskets in which you can cook 2 different items at the same time at different temperatures. The machine makes sure they're both ready simultaneously. You also have the option of only cooking in one basket or making a double batch of, let's say, chicken nuggets. No preheating is required, which eliminates one step in the cooking process. This is a well thought out machine and the settings are clearly marked, but the multifunctionality can be confusing and you will find yourself referring to the manual often at the beginning. However, once you get the hang of programming, it's easy to do, and this air fryer produces great results, particularly for chicken wings, Brussels sprouts and breaded chicken. With its matte gray finish, the Ninja is good looking, but at about the size of a small microwave, will take up considerable countertop space. It's also heavy, so you won't want to be moving it in and out of a cabinet or closet often. Specifications. Type, digital, size, 5 into 13 into 12.5 inches, weight, 24.2 pounds, capacity, 8 quarts, dishwasher safe parts, yes, easy to clean, yes, app control, no, recipes, booklet included. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Dash Compact Air Fryer. The best air fryer for small families is the Dash Compact Air Fryer. It's not much bigger than a coffee maker and does a good job of cooking up an air-fried chicken dinner or hamburgers for just 1 or 2 people. With a pair of dials, one for temperature and one for time, it couldn't be easier to program. When you use the Dash, you may find air frying times are a little on the long side, and you will want to be vigilant about tossing your French fries and turning over your chicken cutlets to get evenly browned and crisp results. Thanks to its petite, cylindrical shape and glossy finish, the Dash Compact Air Fryer is adorable. In addition to black and white, it also comes in red and aqua. The basket is safe for dishwasher cleaning, and because it's small, it won't hog too much of your precious rack space. Specifications. Type, digital, size, 8.1 into 9.5 into 12.5 inches, weight, 5.7 pounds, capacity, 2 quarts dishwasher safe parts, yes, easy to clean, yes, app control, no, recipes, booklet included. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.